Say hi, everybody. What's that? Hey, sweetie. Hey. Oh, what's that? Oh, come on, tell us. Come on. Come on, say goo goo goo. What? What? Come on, tell us. Tell us. Come on. Say hello. Say hi. I got some new toys. Want to see how you grab things? Ready? Come on, show everybody how you grab things. Come on, grab that. Look at it. Watch this. She's going to grab it. Here you go. Grab that. Oh, there you go. Oh, say hi. Yeah, that's right. I can grab things now. Say I can grab things now. Yes, I can. Come on, do something with it. Throw it. Come on, throw it. Do something. Come on, throw it. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? You gonna do something with that or what? Huh? What do you think? You gonna do something with that? You all done with the rattle? Okay, you don't like the rattle. Okay, next thing. Boom. How about the ball? What do you think about the ball? Oh, that's a ball. Yeah, that's a ball. Yep. Come on, do something with it. Try not to eat it. Yeah, try not to eat it. Try not to eat it. Yeah, no eating it. You hear me? Try not to eat it. Okay? Okay. Do you like the ball? Huh? Well, how about this one? This one is supposed to be for smart. This is supposed to be for smart babies. Let's see if this one works. Okay, what do you think about this one? You like that? Oh, she likes it. Oh, she's a smart one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What are you going to do with that? Huh? Huh? Oh, that's right. What's that serious face? What's that serious face? Huh? Come on. You're going to give everybody a smile. Huh? Come on. Oh, yeah. Show me your tongue. That's your tongue. Oh, okay. You done with the camera? Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. She's talking with her feet. Come on, talk with your feet. That's it. Come on. Show them. Come on. Look how big she is. She doesn't even fit in this little thing anymore. Little chunky. Hey, come on, say something. Whoa. Hey, you thinking hard down there or what? 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 Come on, say something. You gotta be able to talk now. You're 3 months. Come on, say something. Okay, you sneezed. That's good enough. Say goodbye.